Hey steampunks, as promised, today is enchilada day. So what do you need when you have enchiladas for dinner? Why, you need some refried beans. So I make my refried beans from scratch in my Instapot. Go figure. Some pinto beans, and it's about 16 ounces. And these have been sorted and rinsed. And like a lot of people, I always forget to pre-soak my beans, but I have a hack for that. I am going to place my beans in my Instapot and cover them with water. Now, I will push the saute button, and when it gets hot, we will cook them for about 5-6 minutes. All right, we're working now. I have rinsed and drained my beans, and to my Instapot, I put the pot on saute, and I added a tablespoon of olive oil, and to that, I have got about half of an onion that has been diced, and a clove of garlic that I put through my garlic press. We're going to cook that till it gets to be translucent. Smells pretty good. And to this, I will be adding a mixture of cumin and chili powder. It's a teaspoon of each. And we're going to stir this in so that the flavors bloom. My spices and my onion and garlic are cooking really nicely. And to this, I will add my drained and soaked beans and about 3 cups of water. All right, I will stir this up a little bit. Okay, we're going to put our lid on, maybe. There we go. It's set, and we push the little lever back. We have sealed up our Instapot, and now we are pressing the bean chili setting, which is about 78 minutes. Now we can go do other things while we wait. So my pressure cooker has said my 78 minutes are up, and we are going to release the pressure. This is called a quick release, where the steam is exiting in a quick manner. So the steam has been going for a little bit, and it is starting to stop, and my button fell in, which means it's safe to open up the lid. And look at those beans. Nice and steamy. So what I will be doing is using my immersion blender to mash them up. So these are my beans and my blender. And depending upon how you like your beans, how mashed you like them, is how much you use your blender. Doesn't that look delicious? At this point, you test for salt and make sure it's seasoned the way you like it. And finally, here is our steamy Hispanic, Mexican, Tex-Mex, whatever you want to call it, dinner for tonight. We have our enchiladas made with our leftover rotisserie chicken. We have our refried beans, and I added to that some Mexican rice, some guacamole, my homemade green tomato salsa, and some sour cream. That Tom, he's one lucky guy.